Morning everyone, John for Popeyes Postcards. Going to do our what sold video. Yeah, these are the sales from last Friday through Monday, so the 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th. Just extremely busy and was unable to get to a what sold video yesterday. Doesn't matter, not much sold. So let's go ahead and get into it. Main store, 38 orders, $347, and the airplanes. 6 orders, same time period, $84. So like 430, something like that. Again, about $100 a day for not doing anything. I've already done all the work, just letting it ride. So first one, Hearn, Texas, Big Brazos Bridge, real photo. That horrible red background tells me it's been up for 7, 8 years or so. Finally brought in $7.99. Warpsonia, Pennsylvania, Presbyterian Church. Another one that's been up for 7 to 8, maybe even longer. $6.99. Next, we've seen this plane before. Still have a whole bunch of them. $2.99. So we've seen this one before too. Postcard Week, Patriotic, Uncle Sam, Santa Claus Riding a Reindeer, artist signed Kemp. Have a whole bunch of these also, and this one sold for $2.99. Next, large litter greetings from Camp Joseph, Pendleton, California. Usually these camp, World War II era camp large letter greetings can do fairly well. This one has some issues. Better condition, probably be about $7 or so. This is Arkansas. This is Hardy, Arkansas, the Arkansas Travel Folk Theater. Looks like a good time. $15.40 or $15.99. Probably took a best offer on that one. This is Flagstaff, Arizona, Del Webb's Highway House, Route 66, 1950s. And that sold for $7.99. Next, we have Flagstaff Del Webb's Highway Motel, Route 66, just a different view. Same person bought that one. And they bought this one too, East Flagstaff, Arizona, Western Hills Motel, Route 66. So yeah, Route 66 again may not be as popular, as a high seller as it was years and years ago, but Route 66 does sell. So $6.99 for that one. Mobile, Alabama, Moonlight on Mobile Bay, Arlington Park. $6 for that one. Shingletown Gap, Pennsylvania, near State College, 1920s. $7 on a best offer. Next is sold a dental book. Haven't sold one of those for a while. This is a booklet glossary of prosthodontic terms. Those terms, prosthodontic. So $11.25 on the best offer for that. Sold 2 NASA Apollo 9 Spider landing craft. $2.99. Also came in the auction buyout from August. Have a whole bunch of them. $2.99 each for those. Atlantic Highlands, New Jersey, Mandalay and Boat Pier, 1920s. Sold for $6 on a best offer. This is Walt Disney World, Epcot, General Motors, World of Motion. It's a continental size. This one, and I think it was this one. There are a couple went to the same buyer overseas. This is Cypress Gardens, Florida, Nagel Groves Packing House Fruit Stand. $3.99. Obviously have several of those. Yeah, and then the same person bought this one. Cypress Gardens, Florida, Mutt-Tell Dog Hotel. Yeah, that looks. Look at it. Push the dog in. Yeah. That looks very, very safe for the dogs. $4.49. Huntington, Raystown, Pennsylvania, view of Marina. Another old card, probably been up for 8-9 years. $6.99 for that one. This is Memphis, Tennessee, Shelby Motel, 1950s, $6.99. Arizona State Bird, Cactus Wren, that artist Ken Hag, $2.49. First one of the Arizona birds I believe I've sold, or maybe I've relisted. I don't know. Happy Easter, Ethel DeWeese, Child Daffodils Art Deco. So when you see that ED by the chick there, that's Ethel DeWeese. Pretty noticeable style. $5.99 for that card. Oakland, California, Children's Fairy Land, Old Woman Who Lives in a Shoe. So old roadside attraction, touristy type of spot. That is $5.99. Next, Lake Flower, Saranac Lake, Adirondack Mountains, New York, Detroit Publishing. And that sold for $6.99. Bonita Springs, Florida, The Shell Restaurant, Tamanami, whatever. There's an N. I always want to put an N in there. It's pretty much the Tampa-Miami Trail. It's the road between Tampa and Miami. Another roadside attraction, restaurant, $9.99 for that one. Large letter greetings from Spring Lake, New Jersey, $29 on a best offer. One of those cards that I got for $2 or $3 in a big New Jersey beach town large letter lot. So $29 for that one. Dana Beach, Florida, Beach View, 1960s. Sold for $5.99. Sold one of those postcard convention patriotic Uncle Sam Santa Claus. So sold another one of those. These all have an actual signature on them. She signed 3,000 of those. Oof. $2.99 for that card. I still have, it says I only have one available, or two available. I got a whole bunch. Large letter greetings from Maxwell Air Force Base, Alabama. $14.99 for that card. Pleasure Bay, New Jersey, Wardell and Sons Port a Peck Hotel. Paid 20 cents for that card. Got $9.99 on a best offer for it. Baltimore, Maryland, Bromo Seltzer Tower Building, blue top or bottle top, 1909. And the yeah, got a whole bunch of those too. $7.99 for that card. Mammoth Lakes, California, Twin Lakes Real Photo, Willard Real Photo. So there's the Willard information. It is a real photo. Maybe it's a blank back one. I'm not sure. But $9.99, that one brought in. Next, New York City World's Fair, 1939 World's Fair, aerial view, Constitution Mall. I almost said hall. $6.99 for that one, even with the stain on it. Ohio Bathing Beach, Cedar Point Amusement Park, Lake Erie. Probably the best amusement park in the world, my opinion. Cedar Point. $7.99 for that card. Large letter greetings from Penmar Park, Pennsylvania, Maryland. $5.99. So the large letter greetings guy bought all these. This is Jackson, Mississippi, Standard Life Insurance Building. It's a linen. Sold for $6.99. Lakehurst Naval Air Station, New Jersey, Goodyear Blimp America. And that sold for $5 on a best offer. It's a hand-painted scenic winter house, snow landscape, Germany, 1920s. Have a whole bunch of these hand-painted cards. It's, you know, not Van Gogh or any, you know, not going to shatter any records, but I always like these hand-painted cards. Someone took the time to hand paint all those cards. $11. I don't know how long it takes them, but it's just, again, it's not the best. I'm sure it's assembly line process, but still, that takes some talent. $11, or maybe not. I can draw a house that bad. Anyway, $11 for those, or that one. Let me see. Spring Lake, New Jersey, view across the lake. So $13.99. Paid 25 cents for that card. Next, Lidditz, Pennsylvania, the Lidditz Mutual Insurance Company. Sold for $6.99. Another one that's been up for 8+ years. Another one that's been up for 8+ years. Lady of the Woods, Crater Lake National Park, Oregon. Only one picture, bad background, old postcard. So yeah, this has been up a fairly long time. Could be up to 10 years too. Next and last, harvesting profitable crop, exaggerated onions in Missouri. Real photo. And that sold for $9.99, which is about the going rate, I think, for these exaggerated food postcards. So there you go. Not bad. Again, for not doing anything, just letting it ride, about $100 a day. Not bad. On the postcard show front, a couple weeks we got Harrisonburg, Virginia, Livonia, Michigan, Albany, New York, Kent, Washington, and Eagan, Minnesota, and end of the month Strasburg, Ohio. So a lot of postcard shows coming up. So give those attend them if you can. I think it'd be well worth your while. And I have the WhatNot auction tonight, Tuesday, 8 o'clock. I think I have 28, 29, 30 lots. Got a whole bunch of really nice real photos. Not that one as much, but lots of, I think, 10, 11 real photo cards. Really, really nice selection. We'll probably start off with those. But that is tonight, Tuesday, the 28th at 8 o'clock on the WhatNot. So come on over, even if you don't buy anything, just to hang out and see what cards sell for your own reference. Hope to see you there. You all have a great day.